Page 16, Reveille. Now they have a note at the top to check your hand position. You need to do that constantly on everything. I don't exactly agree with what they're saying, but I understand what they're doing. The idea is just relax. The fingers have a natural curl to them, and that's what you want. Don't grab a ball or anything. Just relax. And the fingertips, I'm not playing on the actual tip of the finger. It's more like a sort of at an angle. It's not on the fleshy part here, because that would be a straight finger. But it's not on the tippy part either. It's sort of in between, because if you have that at an angle and you push down, that's where it's just going to play. Let's look this over. It's on pages 16 and 17. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We have a pickup beat, so we're coming in on beat 4. Well, you got 3 beats in the last measure on page 17, so we're okay. You got quarter notes, eighth notes, half notes, dotted half notes, whole notes, and the hands are playing at the same time sometimes. Let's check what we got going on here. The left hand starts with thumb on middle C here, and the right hand is thumb on F here. Let's see what we got here. We got 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. I'm hoping you notice something about this real quick, and that is you're only using 3 notes. It's an F chord. Here, F chord, but C's on the bottom, second inversion. And that's basically what this is until you get over to measure 8. That's the second line on page 17. It's here, and then just repeated A's. And here, the left hand plays the F and the C, and it's a whole note for 2 measures. You're going to hold that down for 8 counts in the left hand. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then the measure 11 is just the C in the left hand. Here and here and here. Now measure 12, look out. The left hand has a rest on measure 4, beat 4, excuse me. So when the right hand plays that quarter note, it's by itself. So measure 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That note is by itself. The left hand comes up. And then you play the F and the C again in the left hand. And you're going to hold that down for 2 measures. Yeah. You're still only playing an F chord in the right hand. It's just a different pattern slightly. And you're playing the F chord in the left hand. You're not using the middle note, but the right hand's got it there. So really, when you consider the chords, you got to consider both hands. And so the F, they're all there. So once you're comfortable with the notes and the rhythms and no hesitations, you can think about this phrasing they've got. I don't know about it. It's connect, lift up, lift up, lift up. So this is like taking a breath throughout the whole thing. Now when you get to measure 8, lift up. And they don't have a slur over the repeated note. They could, but connect these as best you can. Connect to the half note. Connect that together. Don't separate those. Connect them. And you get an accent on the half note. Play a little louder. And then lift up. So measure 8 again is here, and then lift up. Then connect. Again, that's the articulation. Dynamics, well, MF, mezzo forte or moderately loud, whatever you think sort of loud is. You're waking people up in the morning. Hello, wake up, everybody rise and shine and all that nonsense. Yeah, you get to measure 9 or the pickup to measure 9, you go up to loud. That makes the accent note a very loud note because the accent just takes it up a notch from where you're at. So it's you just to make sure they're awake, I guess. I'm not sure. But we'd like to hear the right hand there. These, keep this in the background. You don't need don't play it the same. No, keep it in the background here. Now at the beginning when it's playing the note, that's all melodies. So the left hand and right hand have to be the same on that one. Speed, Well, briskly, that means sort of quick. Not too quick, sort of quick. It's got to be accurate. So don't go quicker than that. Something like that. That's my briskly. You can come up with your own briskly. Just make sure it's accurate. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. Notes shouldn't be a problem. You're only using a few of them, but the rhythms, let's make sure we have that. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3, off. There's a duet for this. I like to play that, and you play what we just played, but we're going to speed this up quite a bit. I need to adjust the duet just a little bit because there's a lot of rests in the duet. And that won't work because I can't hear you, I can't stay with you. I need to keep a beat. So I'm going to play quarter notes or something throughout in this duet part so we can stay together. So I'll give us 3 counts. And again, I need you to go up an octave. Just pretend middle C is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Up here. 1, ready, go.